T-Mobile Home Internet uses a cellular connection, known as WAN, to provide internet access. If you're experiencing a no internet error, start by checking the signal strength in the T-Mobile app. Ensure your gateway or router is placed near a window for optimal signal. Power cycle the gateway by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Check for any available firmware updates via the T-Mobile app, as outdated firmware can cause connectivity problems. If the issue persists, proceed to DNS and APN checks. If power cycling doesn't work, the issue might be with your DNS or APN settings. DNS translates website names into IP addresses, and problems can cause errors. Try flushing your DNS cache via the router settings or manually switching to public DNS servers like 8.8.8.8, Google, or 111.1, Cloudflare. Next, check your APN settings. The correct APN for T-Mobile Home Internet is fast.tmobile.com, case sensitive, with no username or password. Access the gateway's admin panel, usually at 192.168.2.1, to verify this setting. Incorrect APN settings can block data access. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support with your IMEI MAC details.